Welcome back to Crypto Pulse, where we decode the top crypto stories of the week in just minutes. Let's jump in. Ripple backs tokenized real estate in Dubai. Big news out of Dubai. Ripple's custody arm, Medako, is partnering with the Dubai Land Department to support a major tokenized real estate initiative. This partnership aims to digitize property ownership using blockchain technology, giving investors a chance to buy and sell fractions of real estate as tokens. Dubai continues to position itself as a Web3 innovation hub, and with Ripple's tech powering the back end, we could be witnessing the future of property investing, one where real estate becomes more liquid, accessible, and efficient. Tokenizing billion-dollar assets like property could unlock trillions in value globally. And with Ripple involved, we know this isn't just a sandbox experiment. It's a signal that real adoption is happening. Peter Brandt warns of Bitcoin top. Legendary trader Peter Brandt has raised the alarm. Bitcoin may be approaching a major top. In a recent analysis, he noted that BTC is showing signs of a potential parabolic climax, a pattern that often ends with sharp corrections. Brandt pointed out that overheated sentiment, leveraged long positions, and classic blow-off top patterns could all be signs of danger. In his words, these vertical advances rarely end well. So what does this mean for traders? If you're sitting on gains, it might be time to tighten your stops or scale out, because while the bull market might not be over, volatility could be just around the corner. Satoshi-era whale moves coins. And finally, one of the oldest Bitcoin wallets, untouched since the Satoshi-era, just came to life. The whale moved over 1,000 BTC, worth tens of millions of dollars, to centralized exchanges like Coinbase and Kraken. Why is this a big deal? Because OG wallets like these typically belong to early adopters or even insiders. And when they move coins, it often signals selling pressure or big strategic plays. Some speculate it's just portfolio rebalancing, others fear a dump. Either way, this move reminds us that supply shocks can hit any time, and whales, even ancient ones, still have power to shake the market. So to wrap up, Dubai is building smart cities on blockchain, Peter Brandt's waving red flags, and the ghost of Satoshi just moved millions. What do you think? Is real estate tokenization the next big wave? Are whales prepping to sell, or just stretching after a long nap? Stick with us on Crypto Pulse, your weekly front row seat to the future of finance. Don't forget to like, comment, and share with your fellow degens. Catch you next episode.